Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. This is Cracks in Time. I'm your host, Rick. So about a month ago, a buddy of mine named Nick sent a box of watches. Random watches, all very sick. And I made an unboxing video and we went into detail about each watch. And that was really cool. And I said at the time that hopefully this becomes a regular event. And it has. So Nick has sent another box. This one is much larger than the first box. And I don't know what's in this box at all. So I'm going to open it, and we are going to see. And then we're going to determine what we're going to do as far as videos for these watches, because I can't do all these watches in one video. So we're going to have a quick look, see what's up, and see what we're getting into. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to see what we're getting into. So here we go. Let's crack this open. And got to be careful. This, who knows what's in here? You know, who knows what's in here? There's labels that I can't really be showing on camera. So there we go. All right. Let's get rid of that. All right, here we go with this nice wrapped up. This is gonna be awesome. This is like Christmas morning. Oh, wait a minute, it is Christmas morning. Actually, now that I think about it, what a coincidence. What an amazing coincidence that is. Good thing I ain't got shit to do today. Wow. Look at all this stuff. All right, so here we got some bezels that I ordered from Nick a while ago. Aftermarket DW-5600C bezels. That, those are hard to come by, obviously. So these look really, really nice. Wow. Wow, looks really nice for an aftermarket bezel. We're gonna put it a little stiff. May have to microwave this for a few seconds to get it on the watch that I want to put it on. So we got some bezels and we got some keepers in this bag. That's nice. Thank you, Nick. And then we got a plethora of watches, which I don't even know what they are. We're just gonna grab watches and put them here. Wow, look at this. Holy moly. All right, so we got a whole bunch of watches right now. Wow, gracious me, oh my. I don't even know where to get started. Wow, so right off the bat, I see some screwbacks. So we got some old vintage ones here. All right, I don't know what these are. I'm gonna have to look into them as I go. Okay, wow, I've seen this one before. It's a blue, I don't know, 5600 something. I don't know what any of these models are, but this one, wow, right off the bat, it's got that gold kind of display. Cool. Wow, yeah, here's something nice. I mean, Jesus. Look at all these. What is this, a 5000? Let's see. Yes, DW-5000. Wow, beautiful. All these watches are beautiful. I don't even know. Wow, look at this. Another heavy ass square. 5600. Wow, whoa, I almost flopped it. Well, you know what? It's a G-Shock, so it would have withstood that abuse that I had just given it. Yeah, DW-5600. With a screwback case. I'm a little perplexed. Maybe I'm just not realizing what certain watches have. I didn't know a 5600 had screwbacks. I don't know. It was a long night last night. It's been a long month. You know what I mean? Another 5600. Yeah. We're gonna have to go into detail what these are in a separate video. Wow, that's only 4 watches so far. Look at all these beautiful 5600s. Actually, this is the 901 module. This is one that I do not have in the collection. What am I talking about? Of course 5600s have screwbacks. Yeah, the old, I'm sorry. My brain is fogged. I own multiple 5600s with screwback cases. Whatever you call that right now. Yeah. So this is the 901. Let me see which one this is here. This one I think has got to be a 691 maybe, which yeah, this is a 691, which I do have a 691 in my collection. Here's the 901. I'm sorry. The 901 is the one I lack in the collection. I see a couple with gold. Oh, wow. Some gold accents. Jesus. I mean, I don't know how it picks up on the camera. You can see the gold hardware on this. Man, my eyesight. DW-5000. Amazing. You don't really see these with the gold accents too frequently, do you? A couple more. Here's another one here. Wow, beautiful. Look at the gold buttons, the gold bezel screws, the gold hardware. Really cool. Casio, Japan. Is a 901. This one's a lot easier to read for some reason. 3 more. Another gold one. So hot. This one feels a little different. Let's see what this is. It's a 901 as well. Beautiful. Wow. Whew. Look at all these squares. This is like a classic square museum I just got shipped to me. Nick, always with the hookups. I got to send all these back to Nick. Maybe I'll buy one of these off. I got to find one that he's willing to sell me. One that's, yeah, it is Christmas. You know what I'm saying? I did treat myself recently to the GST-B-5000D, which I made an unboxing of. That was my Christmas present to myself after a rough couple months. But I may have to acquire one of these from good old Nicholas. And finally, to bookend, we had that blue one in the beginning. Here's a green one. Really cool. 901 module. Very cool. So we got all these watches here. Now that I've shown basically all the watches, I'll make one more video and we'll go down the line, you know, more organized, in a more organized fashion, and go down the line and see which each watch is and all that good stuff. So let's get to that. But right now, thanks to Nick for the hookup, and happy Christmas to everybody. It's a very festive and joyous day for all. Have a good one.